Hi, I'm Nehal Chaudhary and I'm a student of National Institute of Industrial Engineering PGDIM 20 batch. After graduating from here, I wish to work for a leading consultancy firm, and this video will tell you why I am the right candidate for your company. I am passionate about consultancy, especially the IT consultancy field. I am known to be dedicated to my passions and tend to pursue them with great perseverance. I have completed my engineering in computer science from Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune. Then I have worked for 3 years with Accenture Services. I was working on the data warehousing project for the US based client. Here I got a tremendous opportunity to learn technical as well as managerial skills, and I have made most out of it. During my initial year, I have extensively worked on technical aspects, especially concentrating on automation of processes. For instance, I have automated a production batch alert emailing system, reducing the manual intervention to minimum. This also saved 3 to 4 manual hours per day. I can now relate this to an important concept learned in the Principles of Organization Management class, that as an entry level manager, we must concentrate on processes and try to make them as effective as possible rather than just concentrating on the human part. I have also worked on performance tuning processes, which reduce the production batch runtime significantly. This helped the client as earlier completion of batches meant the earlier report generation at the client location. And that is why I believe innovation is more important in work rather than just the improvements in the existing processes. With all my work, I was promoted to the level of senior programmer within a year with the highest ratings, and I was among the top 5% of my peer group. At a later point of time in my company, I led a team of 3 juniors to deliver a module. I received a chance to explore my leadership skills. I did efforts estimation, planned and prioritized the tasks, and allocated them among the team members. Successful completion of this module well within the deadline got me and my team appreciation from client. I can now able to map this to the concept of motivation. I have experienced it being a member of team as well as leading a team. It is an important factor for managers as it can have a major impact on productivity. Motivated people can bring about the magic by working at their level best. I could also relate this to the concept of magnet learnt in the class. Basically, it says managers align the people and power like the magnet aligns the natural force. Being in one of the biggest and prestigious organizations, I had a chance to closely observe how these concepts work. I have been a part of management by objectives process as well. We, the team members, used to participate in objective setting process and work towards achieving them. I was also the part of problem solving and decision making processes and understand the key steps to be followed in order to successfully identify the problem, design the approach and executing it. It was the most important process in my project as we always had issues that had a direct impact on client business. Now I'll briefly talk about my activities and achievements in college and school. I have an experience of managing events from my engineering college years. At my college, I was a member of the publicity team. Here I was involved in various publicity campaigns for a college event Vitality. I like creativity and I do design in Photoshop. That is the reason why I took up the responsibility of organizing the website designing competition at my college, and it turned out to be the most successful event that year. I had a team of 5 volunteers and we almost had 200 plus participants during over a span of 2 days. With all this experience, I can confidently say that I can perform well being a part of team as well as while leading a team. At school, I was involved with lots of academic as well as extracurricular activities. I have been a Maharashtra State Scholarship holder twice. I was ranked 3rd in the middle school scholarship exam and was ranked 13 in the high school scholarship. I have also been ranked in the state merit list of SSC examination. Talking about extracurriculars, I was a part of a drama team at my school and have won prizes at inter-school drama competitions. Being a quizzing enthusiast, I have also represented my school at a national television quiz show. Coming to my interests and hobbies, I love adventure activities and I am a big time trekking fan. I have covered almost all the forts in Sahyadri Mountains. I thoroughly enjoy the every aspect of trekking, the travel, climbing and the adrenaline rush. I also love to listen to piano, and as a step towards learning it, I have been playing synthesizer since a year. I have been an avid reader and I read everything from fiction, sci-fi novels to biographies and autobiographies. So with an all-around personality, I am sure I'll naturally blend with the culture of your company. Thank you so much for giving your time for this video resume and hopefully see you at the interview.